Hello.
Welcome to our kitchen. This is a video that where we are going to show you how to make our
Tourtière pie. Right now I'm chopping up the potatoes for the pie, which are 2 medium potatoes. Here's our store-bought pie crust, and we're going to leave it to set for 15 minutes.
and we have our burner on medium high.
We're going to add a pound of beef and a pound of pork. Oops. Good thing. And then we're just going to cook that until it's fully cooked. Don't forget to crumble it up. Alright. Remove all the fat that you can, because you don't need all that fat. It's a drier pie, and if you leave the fat in, it'll make your crust all soggy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to about 2. And we're going to add our Bell seasoning. This is our homemade Bell seasoning. And it'll be about a teaspoon. Reason being I had to do 2 because there's not much left. Don't forget to stir it in nice and good.
Preheat the oven to 400.
And mash the potatoes up real good. Alright, we're going to add the potatoes and the meat together and give it a nice mix so it's all combined. Mix it all in so it's all nice and good. And now we put in the pie crust. Now we put in the pie mixture. And you just crimp the edges, going all the way around the pie. Okay, so I cook it on the cookie sheet, and now it's just time to make the slits. And you're just going to make 4 of them. Now we cook this for 20 minutes.
We just took it out of the oven, and she's putting on this pie crust saver. And now we're going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. We just took it out of the oven, and now we're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes after we take off the pie crust saver. Now, 5 minutes has gone by, and now it's ready to be cut into and served. So, enjoy!